Hello everyone, welcome to today's video of why it is important to not do cold washes 24/7 in your washer. If you do cold washes 24/7 in your washer, you get the result of this, all this dirt and all in your machine that you can't see. This is one of the pipes I've taken off this, and just look at all that crap in it. All that crap that has came out of there too. Raw thick black mold. It's so disgusting, and you don't even know that. You can't really see it. The only signs of it is like in the drawer and the door seal. These are like what you can't see. So if I move this out of the way, put my wee bucket, got the towel there. You can see that is disgusting. That is absolutely rank. It's all built up thick with crap. Like look at all that. Oh, that's grim. That's grim. Fucking hell. Like look at that. All stuck up in there. You can hear bits of it breaking off. Look at that. Fuck, that is disgusting. That's vile. Jesus. I don't wanna... Like, you can see how bad that is, so you can. God. Christ tonight. Oh, very thick and black mold and gunk. Please, just, even if it's like once a month, do a 90 wash. It will completely stop any of this from happening. If you do a 90 wash, like say every few weeks or a month, you'll never get this in your machine. But if you do like 40-degree washes for absolutely everything, or even worse at lower temperatures, like say the wash cold challenge with pods and stuff, then you end up with all of this gunk and crap in your machine. And it doesn't smell pleasant either, so it doesn't. But yeah, like that is something. That's extreme. That's really bad. And you wouldn't have even thought that the machine was that dirty, judging by like the door seal on it. I have got this on the side. It's got a pump fault, but like you can see the door seal is relatively clean on this one. There's no mold on it or anything like that. But yeah, that's disgusting. That is absolutely grim, and is definitely one of the worst insides of a washer I've seen. Please stop cold washes, everyone.